Hello and welcome to Tech Tools for Geneabloggers, Series 2, Evernote. Evernote for effectively storing data from your research. Tip 1, how to set up and customize your Evernote. To get an Evernote account, point your browser to evernote.com and you'll see this screen. There is quite a bit of information here that you can take note of before you decide to sign up for free. Evernote is an ideal tool for organizing the results of your research for your genealogy. This is what the front page of your Evernote may look like when you have notebooks set up. I'll explain what notebooks are in a little while. But as it says, you can work anywhere with Evernote, get it to remember everything and turn your to-dos into done, and of course, find things fast. Why would you want to use Evernote? Let's have a look at what they suggest. You can capture everything, keep it together, find it fast, and take it anywhere. So it's not just used for genealogy, it can be used for a whole variety of projects. The features of Evernote include the web clipper, which I find ideal, more about that later, that you can synchronize and organize all your notes and keep them handy. You can have a list of tasks, you can add in your calendar, and a whole set of other features. There are plans available. You can get it for free, or you can have the personal at $10.99 a month, and so on, further up the line. When you're ready to start, you'll simply sign up for free. When you're returning, you'll click into I already have an account and log in. I find using Evernote an ideal tool for allowing me to organize the results of my research for my ancestral clans, and I'm going to show you what my Evernote account looks like now. So I've set up a free account and I've begun to create quite a number of notebooks. But some of the things that you can do to customize and set up your Evernote account are contained in a couple of spots. Let me show you those. On the left-hand navigation bar at the top right-hand corner, you can update your settings. For example, you can decide whether or not you want the light mode or the dark mode. You can synchronize your calendar to give you reminders. You can choose how your sidebar will show information from your Evernote and what your notebook, your default notebook, is when you're using the web clipper. Tasks, of course, can be pinned to the top, and you can have task reminders coming your way. Once you're done with the settings, you can then customize how this page looks. On the top right-hand corner is the Customize button. It allows you to change the background. Let's do that. Gives you a number of images that you can choose from. Let's choose this one. Or you could use your own image. If you're doing that, you'll need to make sure that it's 2000 by 1280 pixels dimensions. It also allows you to see which widgets are currently showing on your home page. Filtered notes, notebooks, pinned notes, scratch pad, shortcuts, anything at all that you've added to your home page. Click done when you're finished. So when you're setting up your Evernote account, you'll have lots of things to look at on your screen. Perhaps you won't have the notes in your notebooks yet, and I'll show you how to do that in the next tip. But on the left-hand side are all of the tools that you'll be using as you manage your Evernote account. The main one is your notebooks. So if I click into that, you'll see that I have a number of notebooks already set up for the clans and tribes of my family history. There are tags, and there is an opportunity to share this work page with others in your team. At the bottom of the navigation bar, there is a What's New tab, and we'll tell you what has changed since last you came to Evernote. We've had an improved sidebar. We can now select multiple notes, and we can also start sketching. Let's add that one in, which allows us to sketch. All right, so this is how my Evernote account is now looking after I have done the setup and the customization and added the tools and widgets that I want to see each time I come in to my Evernote account. It's a lot to take in from this very first one. Stay tuned. I'll have another tip for you on the use of Evernote for your family history research in the next session. And if you're looking for more detailed use of Evernote, try one or more of my courses at coachcaroleonline.thinkific.com.